kerchief means a head covering. This would be something you'd put on, just drape over your head. That's what a kerchief. And then a hand kerchief, a handkerchief, hand kerchief is just a smaller version. So what I do is I'll fold from the base, I roll these tails up, and then you can smooth that down or iron it. And then I'd fold it again about 3 to 4 inches wide. And I usually get about 4 folds out of it. And then I got this little tail. And then I use that, I put that right in my neck, in the front. And I go around the right, and I tuck that under my beard, and I just tuck it down behind there. Because it's kind of loose. And when I come around with my left hand, I take that one, and I tuck it up under there. And now I've got this ring of cloth all the way, it sort of hangs from my neck. Keeps it like that. You could spray, depending on what you're going to use this for, I wouldn't filter water with it, but you could spray this with some permethrin or some Deep Woods Off, and it would keep the flies and ticks and critters out of your neck hole too.
Yeah.